We start by harvesting these perfect cobs. Then, as you can see, we process the kernels in our state-of-the-art facility to create the fluffiest popcorn.
Get this one loaded now.
How many left?
About 20 more bags.
Careful, these are heavy. Got it. Where does this one go?
Bay 3, next to the silos. Take this pallet to the far end. All right, watch the turn here.
The data stream here confirms the kernel integrity.
Excellent. Let's ramp up the processing speed.
As you can see, the oil absorption levels are optimal. This batch is ready for production.
As you can see on the screen, the oil absorption levels are optimal for this batch.
Excellent. We should maintain the current flow rate.
Agreed, the kernels look perfect. We are currently at the target volume for this batch, sir.
Good. Make sure the flow rate remains steady.
The moisture content looks good here.
Yes, the intake from this batch is consistent with the targets.
Flat sheets are fed here, then the machine automatically forms the cartons. We need to monitor the alignment closely at this stage.
The consistency on this run is excellent. Very few duds.
Agreed. The airflow adjustments are working well.
Noted. I'll update the efficiency report.
This conveyor system allows us to efficiently move thousands of kernels per hour, ensuring a steady supply for the next stage.
This is where the magic happens. I just press this blue button and the kernels begin to heat up and transform instantly. Look at that. Watch the flow rate on this side. Huh?
Yeah, I see it. I'm slowing it down now.
Okay, bring the next one over here. Careful, it's heavy. We are conducting a quality check right now. This is where we ensure the better flavor before it moves on to the mixing vat.
This batch looks amazing, the best we've done all week.
Yeah, they're flying off the line.
The automated dispenser ensures every piece is evenly coated before moving to the packaging stage.
Careful with that pallet. Make sure it's secure.
We've got room for 2 more high inside.
With state-of-the-art automation and a dedicated team, we're redefining logistics to bring you the freshest popcorn faster.
Mommy, look! The popcorn company! Yes, that looks yummy.
There you go. Looks like she's ready for the movie.
We've exceeded targets by 20% this quarter.
Join our team and innovate for the future.
Like, subscribe, and share. Long